Hello, my name is Daniela Ilieva and I'm the Executive Director of Law and Internet Foundation, the partner in DATAMITE project who secures the compliance of legal and ethical aspects. And here's my colleague Polina, who is actually working as an expert on the project.
Hello everyone, my name is Polina Petrova and I work as a legal and ethical expert within the DATAMITE project as a representative of the Law and Internet Foundation.
Our work has become actually very important because the big picture of the European Commission more and more goes into further understanding and further bridging the technology with legal aspects, and this is where our organization comes as a translator, as the experts who translate the legal language to the technological partners, and also translating what is done within the project to the external stakeholders. And it's really not only from legal point of view, but ethical aspects have been merged to our work. So in all projects, including DATAMITE, we have our significant role, and we continue to develop ourselves, because with the emerging changes, daily in technologies, we really have to adapt ourselves. And sometimes, actually very often, we work with legal frameworks which are kind of non-existent. And Polina will tell you more actually of what specifically we do within DATAMITE.
Yes, of course, we're not going to go into plenty of details because there is a huge framework of legislation, of ethical principles that partners have to follow and abide. But let me try to simplify it. On the one hand, we are providing very crucial guidance on the technical requirements within the modules, so the really very technical aspects of the DATAMITE project. We are developing methodology of what should be followed, what must be followed, and what could be followed, and what is not so crucial. So this is on a more zooming level. Then we are also providing guidelines on a more high-level aspects in terms of very core and general principles for data sharing. For example, on business-to-business data sharing, business-to-governance data sharing, also in the context of IoT, very important, and so on and so forth.
One could easily say that we make people's life difficult, but actually we make sure that everything which this project produces from the project consortium is compliant to the legal world. And also we try our best to simplify the legal language so that we make it understandable to all people internal for the consortium and for the external stakeholders. So they also better understand the results of the project and how they can benefit after the project finishes.
Precisely, and I also want to add another very important layer that we are currently working on, which goes beyond the general framework. We're also helping and guiding partners in terms of a sector-specific legislation, which goes beyond the general requirements that we have. So beyond the data sharing aspects, we go into the different sectors of all the 6 pilots, meaning telecommunications, energy, and so on. So really very and numerous layers that we cover that the European Commission expects to be met. And it is actually quite difficult to wrap this up within such a short session. But
yeah, to summarize, actually every day on the DATAMITE project has been different than the other. So we ourselves had to grow, learn, and adapt a lot. And we're happy that we were part of the DATAMITE project.
Thank you.